Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can disable and remove extensions, plugins, and also add-ons into Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, some extensions may cause, for example, various performance issues, or you may simply want to get rid of them because you don't want to use them anymore. So this is how you can do it, guys. You will need to access your extensions settings here on the Waterfox web browser. Click into these three lines in the top right and navigate to extensions and themes, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-A. And here to the left, you will see a list of plugins, themes, as well as extensions. So what you want to do is navigate to extensions, and here under Manage Your Extensions, simply switch on the given extension you'd like to use, or simply switch it off if you'd like to turn it off. Or if you'd like to remove it, guys, click into these three dots here and select Remove, Confirm. And there you go, the extension has been successfully removed. You will have up to a few seconds to undo the removal if you like, but I will leave it at that, guys, and simply, disable and remove that extension. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.